Having trouble using your phone as a key for your Tesla? You're not alone. This video will guide you through common issues and fixes as of December 15th, 2025. We'll cover pairing problems, permission errors, and when a reset is needed. Tesla's phone key feature relies on Bluetooth to connect your phone to your car, so understanding how that connection works is the first step to fixing it. First, let's make sure the initial pairing was done correctly. Open your Tesla app and go to Phone Key. Set up Phone Key. Ensure your car is awake and follow the on-screen prompts. Key things to check. Is your phone's Bluetooth enabled? Is your Tesla app updated to the latest version, 5.21 plus? Is your car running firmware V12 or newer? Software mismatches are a common cause of pairing failure. The Tesla app requires specific permissions to work correctly. For both Android and iOS devices, ensure Bluetooth, location, and notifications are enabled. Bluetooth allows wireless connection to your vehicle. Location detects proximity to your Tesla, and notifications provide alerts about key status. On Android version 15 and later, grant nearby devices access in the app permissions. This allows the app to discover and connect to nearby Bluetooth devices like your Tesla. On iOS version 18 and later, ensure precise location is toggled on in location services. Precise location provides accurate positioning data needed for reliable key detection. Without these permissions, you'll likely encounter key not found errors. Always go to your phone's settings to double-check and enable the required permissions. Bluetooth connectivity issues often stem from interference. Other wireless devices and Wi-Fi routers can disrupt the Bluetooth low-energy signals used by the phone key. To resolve this, move away from other smart devices or routers during pairing. Urban environments with dense wireless signals can also cause problems. If issues persist, try turning Bluetooth off and on again on your phone. You can see this in the phone settings. Also, toggle Bluetooth in your Tesla through the touchscreen settings as shown here. If basic troubleshooting steps like checking permissions or Bluetooth haven't fixed your phone key issue, it's time to try a soft reset. This process deletes the existing phone key from the Tesla app and guides you through repairing it, which can clear any corrupted data causing problems. Here's how to perform the soft reset. Before starting, keep these precautions in mind to ensure a smooth process. After completing the reset, test the phone key by trying to unlock and start your vehicle. If issues persist, you may need to consider a hard reset or contact Tesla support. Tesla now supports up to 5 phones per vehicle for phone key access, expanding from 3 in 2024. This feature enables easier family sharing and fleet management, fitting into Tesla's broader digital ecosystem approach. Looking ahead, Tesla is developing AI-driven diagnostics by 2026 that will automatically detect and resolve common phone key issues using machine learning based on user patterns. Security enhancements include FIDO2 standards for passwordless access, providing stronger protection than traditional methods. Additionally, integration with wearables like the Apple Watch Ultra will allow seamless vehicle access. The upcoming Key Vault Cloud service in 2026 will enable cross-platform sharing while addressing sustainability by reducing the need for physical keys. Experts predict 50% adoption by 2030, though challenges like 5G interference may require Bluetooth upgrades. Expert tips and real-world examples. Experts recommend clearing the app cache before resetting the phone key. Also, check Tesla forums for solutions specific to your phone model or car firmware version. For example, Reddit users have found success toggling precise location on and off after iOS updates. Fleet owners use reset guides to batch repair devices after software bugs. These steps work in 85% of cases, emphasizing the importance of software maintenance. In summary, proactive software maintenance resolves most phone key issues.